All right, today we're gonna bring our hunting boots, and these are outdoor hunting boots, very comfortable, waterproof, water resistant, any kind of rain or shine, sun, rain or shine, they're gonna be working very well. Keep you nice and warm, very comfortable underneath. You guys can see this is a swampy little area, a little lake that we have here. Water hasn't penetrated. I've been here for quite a while. Love the shoes so far. So these are great for outdoor activities. If you work outdoors, or if you're gonna plan to be outdoors during the rain, these are a perfect fit. You pretty much walk anywhere. The soles underneath of it are slip resistant, so any rock features that you can step on, you'll be perfectly fine without falling. So these are great for outdoors, hunting, working, rain or shine.